Hello student, this is Shyam Sundar Agarwal. Today we will discuss where you are going to write your Python programming, where you are going to write your scripts. So before we do our Python lab, you need to set up Python environment on your laptop or PC, whatever you have. So let us see how to install this on your PC. First of all, in Google, you go and search for Anaconda distributor. So this Anaconda website, you will reach Anaconda website. So www.anaconda.com products individual. So I am going on this page. Here there are many options, but I am going down for this Anaconda navigator. So this Anaconda navigator, I will start this install Anaconda. It will give me these options, whether I have a Mac OS or I have Linux on my PC or I have Windows. So because on this PC it is Windows, so I'm choosing this 64-bit graphical user installer for Windows. When I click on it, see here, one exe file will start downloading. So this file is being downloaded. Let me show you. So here the file is started, and it is 4557 MB exe file. So I have already downloaded it for saving time. So I cancel it here. After download, you will see that this is the file which is downloaded. So you can go in this folder and you can double click this file. This is a setup file. So it will now start verifying the installer, and then it will install the navigator. So Anaconda setup 64-bit. So you will do next and I agree and just for me, and this directory you will do next. So as I have already installed, to save time, it will take at least 5-10 minutes to install. So to save time, I have already installed. Therefore, if I do next, it will give some other message like this. Otherwise, it will start installing, and you need not do anything much. Next, and something like that. So finish. So it will install your Anaconda navigator on your PC very easily. I have already installed. So I close it here and I tell you what to do after installation. So let us see here. After installation, you can find this in your this start menu here, Anaconda navigator. So when you double click on Anaconda navigator, it will open the Anaconda navigator, and it may also take some time because this is a bit heavy program. So see here, this green mark, you can see that the work has been started of opening this. So in beginning it will take some time, later on it will take lesser time comparatively. So adding the features and the loading applications, etc., the messages you can view here in this green circle. This is Anaconda distribution. So what you'll see here, that when you open this Anaconda navigator, so what you see here, there are many things which you can launch. So Jupyter Notebook, IPython, Spider. So we will be working on Spider. So this is the Spider platform we will use for running our this Python scripts. So Python programming or Python scripts. So we'll be calling Python scripts instead of Python program. So here we will launch this Spider, and when I launch this Spider, there will be one screen that will appear where we can write our Python program. So let us see, when it opens. It will take a moment. When this Spider 4, this is opening, what you'll do, let me tell you, once it opens, that when you begin with your Python programming, you need to understand the data types of Python and the statements which are decision making statements like if else, looping statement like for, while, do while, which you have already studied many a times in various programming languages like C programming, C++, Java, etc. but there will be many new features also, many new data types also, and there will be difference in syntax of even statements of printing, etc. Variable declaration will be totally different. So how to do that, how to write programs, that what you need to learn. See now this screen, so it is still opening. Here it will appear some command prompt. So what you can do, you can write your whole program here, and you can then save your file. So now this appeared. So this is your, see, this is your command prompt. So whatever you want to practice or learn in beginning, so you can see, you can write, type here, print hello. So this is a printf statement type of thing, but syntax you can see here, there this is a change. So I have pressed enter, and this is the output. So for practice you can use command line also directly here, how it works. So you can see here, and later on you can write your program script here. So print this x equals to 10, then print x. So in this way you can write something. Hello. So see here, I also type x equals to 10. Then if I write this print and this x, what happens? Let me check. I'm interested in checking. So what happens? X is printed. So you can write in this manner also. You have assigned something here, and then you are taking output on command prompt itself. So just to check whether it is working or not, syntax is right or not. And you can also write just things like this, and then you can save your file, save as or save file. First time if you are saving, it is save and save as are same, but next time if you are saving, then save as will prompt you for a file name, and save will not, that you know. So it is not save as, not prompted for file name. So this is prompting for file name. So I have given this file name first.pyc. py is the extension for Python file programming files. So I save it. So I have saved it. So replace it. Yes. Then if I want to run this file, you can run from here, or you can press F5 also. So run. So you see here the output, hello 10. So hello is this, and 10 is from this print. So in this way you will run your Python scripts. Means you can write a program script here, and then can save file also, and you can check on the command prompt also. So this is the way of doing this. There are other in Navigator you have also seen some other options like Jupyter Notebook and IPythons. Those we are not going to use in this. Everything is not to be used. We will use Spider. So these are the various other methods of running the Python program. If you have problem, your enough RAM is not there in your laptop or PC, and it is getting you are facing problems, memory and old type of PC you have, then you can also use some online online compilers for Python. So how to do that? Let me also tell you that you can write here Python online compiler, and then you can take some compiler. So I'm taking this online GDB. So you can also take this online GDB, but this is showing some error. If server is okay, then it will not show you error. You can do this online Python online compiler, and then online GDB. It is still, so some error is there, but I prefer this online GDB website. But you can take online compilers, some other compilers also. They may ask you to say mm, for login, your they may require login. So it depends, but you can take different compilers. So password online compiler for Python. This is not for Python compiler. So if this GDB is working, this is tested, this is good compiler, you can refer it. But at this moment when I'm recording this video, this site is not responding. So I stop here. You can opt for a online compiler also. In online compiler, generally there is an editor which is where you can write your program and then you can run it, debug it. So I hope that in other programming also you have used online compilers in C programming, etc. So you can take this. It is not working at this moment, so I stop here. We will discuss this later in length. Someday, if required, you can take online compilers. Otherwise, Anaconda Navigator and Python, this is Spider, you can launch and then you can run your programs. Thank you very much.